Few days ago, I was teaching one of my students arithmetic progression, and the end term of an arithmetic progression is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 d. And the question says that the third term of an arithmetic progression is 13, while the seventh term is 29. The question says we should find the first term and the common difference. And if the third term of an arithmetic progression, that will be a plus what 3 minus 1 d, and that's actually, the question says is equals to 13, and that is actually going to be a. That implies that a plus 2d is equals to 13, and that will make that to be equation 1. And the seventh term of the same arithmetic progression is equals to, that will be a plus 7 minus 1, and that will be d, that will be equals to 29 according to the question. So what we have now is it implies that a plus 6d is equals to 29, and that's going to be my equation 2. And as a mathematics graduate, I know that this is a simultaneous equation, and solving a simultaneous equation, I know 5 different methods that I can use to solve this. But since the question did not specify any method, I will always recommend elimination method. Elimination method of solving equation is very easy and simple, but you must know the techniques and logic behind it. So I can also apply substitution method, but substitution method is a bit more long. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to say a plus 2d is equals to 13, which is going to be my equation 1, and a plus 6d is equals to 29, which is also going to be my equation 2. So what I'm going to do now is quite very simple, right? I'm going to use elimination method. I'm going to eliminate a, because it is very simple to eliminate a, although I can also eliminate d, but it will be a bit complex. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So what I mean is I'm going to say equation 2 minus equation 1. So what I'm going to have now is quite very simple, right? I'm going to say a minus a plus 6d minus 2d is equals to 29 minus 13. That will be 29 minus 13. So what I'm going to have now is this, we cancel this. So 6d minus 2d is 4d, and that will be 29 minus 16. That is 29 minus 13. That's going to be 16. So I will divide both sides by 4. Divide this one 2 by 4. So this we cancel this, and my common difference is 4. Yeah, my common difference is going to be 4. So since my common difference is actually 4, what I'm going to do now, go back to this equation 1. I will say put this equals to 4 in, I can use equation 1 or equation 2, but I'm going to use equation 1. So that will be a plus 2d is equals to 13. So anywhere I see d, I'm going to put 4. So that will be a plus 2 open bracket 4 is equals to 13. So that will be a, this is actually a, not 9. So a plus 8 is equals to 13. So what I'm going to have now is a is equals to 13 minus 8. So what I'm going to have now is equals to 13 minus 8 is actually 5. Right? Yeah, it is 5. So from the question that we were given, it's actually a word problem. So I have solved it, and what I have for my a is 5. The first term, which is a, is equals to 5, while the and the d is equals to 4. So that is the solution that I explained to my students when I was teaching my students about arithmetic progression. Mathematics is simple. Mathematics is fun. Thank you.